outside of Fouquet's. Fun fact, Bridget got engaged here. Not on this roof deck, but a different one. We have some products, sunscreen, little panties. Those are cute. Stringies. Good morning. It's the day of Bridget's Bachelorette. We can't believe it's here. I'm in my Fifi. The girls are here. The girls are here. We're all in our...
You're giving the mom blogger in A Simple Story.
Oh my God, Ruby Frankie?
No. The Blake Lively movie with Anna
Oh,
Kendrick.
yes, totally. Okay, anyways. Hi, girls. Okay, we are in our Fifi. Kenzie's up front. We have yellow, we have blue, we have gray. I'm in gray. And then we have these cute little shirts on. Christina has hers on. How cute.
Wait, I didn't put a tank top under mine.
I didn't either. Oh, I know, I should have.
I'm just wearing a bra.
So we're heading to the private jet right now. And we're gonna vlog the whole weekend. It's gonna be so much fun. The bride looks iconic. She's making TikToks. Oh.
That is hard to do.
We have Red Bull skydivers here. One of the guys jumped 23,000 times out of a plane. So here we are waiting to board. There's the bride. This is crazy.
Guys, crazy. There's our plane. Oh my God.
Oh my God. This is crazy. Okay, we're mid-flight. This is the craziest experience I've ever had. Truly, we're not even there yet. There's a shower. There is a bed. Guys, it's just the craziest thing ever. Like, just a room for our bags. Look at this spread. We have breakfast burritos on the way. I'm about to make my matcha, of course. Egg bite. Really good breakfast burrito. Bagel. I love a bagel. So I'm literally laying in the bed. In the middle of the air. Like, this is insane. I will never forget this moment right here. We are all so lucky. Love you, Bridget. Coconuts acquired. Here we go. Very hot, there's no AC. Vlog. I am ready for dinner, night one. Here's my outfit. A little hard to capture, but this orange dress from Meshki with this little fishy bag. I forget where my necklace is from. I cannot remember the name of it, but I just did a little slick back with a waved pony. Very dewy makeup tonight. And yeah, we have dinner in like 2 hours. We're just hanging out. We're all dressed up. The theme was golden hour. So we're all in like pretty sunset colors. The ocean is very loud in the best way. Like, I can't wait to wake up to this. It's so beautiful here. Like, we cannot get over it. But excited for dinner. We're going to a place called Bonito. And yeah.
I am so happy that all of you guys are here. I love each and every one of you so much. I could actually cry for the 500th time. I'm not going to.
Love you. All right, we are out to dinner. Every day. Yeah. This is the menu. Looks delish. I love seafood, so I'm very excited. I have my fangirl going because it's very hot. Here is the view. It is so pretty in here. Look how pretty the restaurant is. It is so gorgeous. Ending the night. Good morning, St. Barths. Just made a little fruit platter for the girls. Mayonnaise. Not a bad morning, I'll tell you that. Hi, vlog. It's mermaid night.
It's mermaid night.
Here's my brush.
No, you're so sick.
We're taking some pics. Here's the fit. Danielle looks fine. And the bride, of course. But we are heading to, what's the restaurant? La Garite?
No.
That's tomorrow. What?
La Petite Plage.
La Petite Plage tonight. So these are the fits. And yeah, the sun is set, I guess. And we're gonna leave in like 2 hours. Bridget just hit 1 million on Instagram, guys. The most. We love her. This is insane. Whoa! Where are we going, B? Yacht. Let's go. Please shut up. This is crazy. Woo! We love Mars. Good morning, vlog. We're running on how many hours of sleep? 5. Maybe. 4. We had the best night of our entire lives at La Petite Plage. It was insane. Bridget hit 1 million followers on Instagram. Like, so insane. So proud of her. We just woke up. I think we're honestly like the first girls up. We got back really late last night, obviously from the yacht, which was insane. And we're going to go to Eden Rock, the hotel that's like a part of the villa, and take a shuttle there and then get like coffee and go shopping and then figure out our day. We might be going like out on a boat, or we might be going to La Garite, which is like another beach club. But yeah, this is one of the probably the best trip I'll ever be on in my life. Yeah, see you soon. Guys, we're at Eden Rock. This is insane. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm speechless. Got my matcha and it's incredible. I was not expecting it to be a good matcha, but I'm so happy right now. I think we're gonna come back in the morning and snorkel because like how could we not? So we're shopping in the gift shop. I think I'm gonna get these shoes. They're gorgeous. And
These are like perfect. They're such good height.
right? Look how cute they are.
I feel like they wouldn't be.
How comfortable are they too?
Yeah.
They're so sick. Oh wait, are these the Shock Post Nike?
Yeah, I'm confused. What are the 37 and the 38? Is it the same? So cute. I was
So cute. Oh, guys, this is dangerous. This is crazy. I just got my shoes and the passport cover. I'll show you later. This is so beautiful. All right, so we are all dressed, ready to go to La Garite. I don't know if that's how you say it. This is my outfit, this little bikini from Addicted, this skirt and scarf from Marfa, Miu Miu Sunnies, and it's so hot and humid today, but at least the sun is like not really out. Here we go, Bridget looks insane. On the beach. We're going to the yacht. I love St. Barths. craziest moment of my life. Wow, we have our chef making our Mexican fiesta. Everything looks insane. Oh my god, the corn ribs. Guys, oh my god, I'm so excited. We have our table setting. It's so cute. We're all in our wrap sets, comfy, cozy post shower. Ooh, we have a bartender serving it up. Here's the bride.
Who else? Hi.
Good morning, vlog. We are at the Eden Rock Beach this morning. A few girls came. We got some beach chairs. We're gonna have a little beach morning. We're gonna snorkel and oh my god, I think my matcha just arrived. It is so beautiful here. Like, I'm so sad this is our last day. So I just swam with sea turtles. That was the craziest moment of my entire life. Bucket list. All in this water. Oh my god. We just swam out to this little like dock in the water. Oh, I'm out of breath. Swam here with my phone, so.
God.
I love St. Barths.
Cierra's vlog. I'm suffering so bad.
Oh my god. Guys,
It's
the
goat
lunch.
cheese.
goat cheese.
It's not better.
Goat cheese
Burger.
and Pilates Slaughter are better.
I wanted this. I'm glad you got it.
That looks so refreshing and delicious.
All right, guys, so we're paddleboarding. And you could see the water through this. So we gotta find a turtle. This is epic. Okay, we're at the villa now, and we just got pizza delivered. Lucali. Oh!
Oh my god, we need a vlog.
What?
Open it. No! What?
It's a mess. Help! That was the worst reveal of all time.
How long does it take her to get ready? Next question. An hour and 15 minutes.
It's sadly the last morning of the best trip of my life, and we're all packing up. This is my plain outfit, and I'm absolutely devastated to be leaving. Let's go look at the view one more time. Wow, I'm gonna miss this so much. Bye, Villa. It's so crazy because there's so much seaweed on this beach, and there's a guy who rakes it. Guy's got a long day ahead. Where are we going?
We're going home. Take me to home.
Sad.
Take me there.
We're back on the jet.